Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the FODSPORTS M1S Plus motorcycle Bluetooth headset, a feature-packed device that could elevate your riding experience. With its one-click pairing and ability to connect up to 10 riders, this headset is built for group communication on the road. Whether you're on a long-distance trip or a casual ride, the M1S Plus ensures clear, uninterrupted conversations and privacy with its microphone mute function. The M1S Plus comes with specially tuned 40mm HRSQS speakers that deliver crisp, dynamic sound. This means clearer vocals and enhanced music quality, even at high speeds. For music lovers, it also supports music sharing between two units, so you and your partner can enjoy the same tunes on your ride. Plus, with a standard 3.5mm adapter, this headset can be used beyond just helmets, giving it even more versatility. The M1S Plus excels in performance thanks to its built-in noise cancellation that cuts down wind and engine noise. The 900 mAh battery offers up to 20 hours of continuous use, ideal for those long road trips. It also features FM radio, hands-free calling, and voice assistant access, adding more convenience to your rides. And don't worry about the weather. The headset is waterproof and works even in extreme temperatures as low as -3 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, the M1S Plus is easy to install and compatible with most Bluetooth headsets on the market. It offers two microphone options, a boom mic for open-face helmets and a button mic for full-face helmets, making it adaptable to your needs. Its detachable metal clip allows you to easily switch it between helmets, providing flexibility for different riding setups.